never safe. I hop in the foreign and drive like a race. We sipping the Henny, I don't need a chase. We dodging the feds, ain't catching no case. I stay in the trap, get racks every day. She fuck with me now, I told her so.
Make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, man. We're going up.
All right, so now we all left the car wash. Look at Mozzie car right there. But yeah, well, now we're headed to the hotel and we're gonna just get ready for this car meet, man. So I hope y'all enjoying the video so far. Mozzie playing, he better stop playing with me. Just cause I got this 6'4" don't mean nothing. Got it in track mode, man. Alonzo right here. Y'all hear them pops? Show y'all everything. Long Joe right there, yes sir. Another Hellcat right here. We got Ice Cat Drew right here beside me. Look at that. Man, them manuals always be doing that. All that popping. Man, I see you always gotta have a drink.
You right, I'm gonna turn right. I'm gonna turn up. Wait till I start recording. Oh, on the bag? Okay. I see you, brother. Yeah. I'm gonna turn up. Wait till I get done, boy. What's going on?
That's my boy right here. What's going on, man? Good. Yeah, you?
Man, I watch all y'all.
Man, hey, Lonzo, what'd you say? Man, I don't know everybody, man.
You know everybody.
Nah. I mean, that black scat looks good, man. I like that black scat right there. Look, he got hemi light shirt on. I see you. I see you.
Hey, hold on.
He got his little mic on his shirt. Sir, brother. Tell him who you is.
Hey, I'm TRD, you know what I'm saying? Although I'd rather hit me like, you know what I'm saying? It's all good,
We
man.
see you with the mic down there.
Yeah, man. Trying something new, you know.
That look fancy for real. I'm like, I need a mic.
$50 on Amazon.
But I don't have nowhere to put that on this camera.
Oh, dang.
I had to give me another camera for that. Here, it's red eye. It looks just like the one off his Neva Speed too. And that's clean though. Mopar 360. Dang. Huh?
You know what? You know what? They don't spin it though.
This man trying to be funny, bro. What you guys say?
Man, you know that ain't no floaters. I mean, no spin caps or whatever. Now you gonna mess with Lonzo.
Drop your pocket.
This shit gonna look.
Spinning everything. He gonna spin this one. That man spin it out. But he spin that one.
Hey, I need some assistance. Can you get those for me?
I got you.
Can you get those for me? There you go. One more.
Watch the spikes. Watch the spikes.
Okay, appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it.
Leave me tomorrow, y'all can spin my shit.
Hey, you gonna do the video or what? He coming right there.
You better hurry the hell up. It's hard though. Hey, this is the part I like right here. Straight. You got your shit cut out. Yeah. I hate when that your shit close together. Gotta have it cut out. Hey, you should have left your windows open, bro. Your sunroof's not.
Hey, come to the back lot. That's cause he moved. He went to the video over here. Yeah. Alright, you guys, so I left the car meets and now I'm on the way to a basketball court because some people about to hoop, so y'all just stay tuned. Listen to the car shit, man. This car just making all types of pop noise. It's 66 degrees outside. That's crazy. It's almost that time for winter.
Rock that baby to sleep.
I thought I was gonna hit the trim a little bit. 31. Oh! Only me in the front. He was too busy trying to lay it up before he got the ball.
What other one you talking about? I ain't seen it.
Man, play defense, man. She gonna make you look bad if you don't. See what I'm saying?
Okay.
Hey,
This can't pay black.
Who's this?
No, 11:41.
No, 12.
It's 11:41.
12.
Why you say that? The time changed? Are you playing?
Hey, Rob,
Hey, hit that like button.
Hey.
I don't know.
Let's go. Look at JD. Come on, back that down.
Okay, JD. All right.
4-3, they up. All three, right?
1 hour later.
Man, Archie guys, man, that's the ending of this video, man. If y'all did enjoy that video, make sure y'all give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on post notification. Man, like I always say, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.